So I hope you all are getting a gist of how to solve all the MCQs now. So we have covered up about 100 of your numericals. I hope you're understanding everything, all of you. Chaliye, we go into the remaining MCQs, all of you, and try to analyze the logistics of those MCQs. So we have finished off till question number 110, sorry, 100, 101 onwards, all of you. In a dihybrid cross, F2 generation offspring show 4 different phenotypes, while the genotypes are 9. Dihybrid cross में how many types of phenotypes are seen? You have 16 plants showing 4 different types of phenotypes and 9 different types of genotypes. Phenotypes are 4, genotypes are 9. So 4 phenotypes and 9 genotypes. Emasculation is removing of the stamens before anthesis. What is before anthesis? Before rupturing of the pollen sacs to release pollen grains. Rupturing of pollen sacs to release pollen grains is called as anthesis. Before rupturing of the pollen sacs to release pollen grains is called anthesis. That is called emasculation. When the phenotypic and genotypic ratio is the same, it is an example of incomplete dominance or codominance, and the phenotypic and genotypic ratio are 1:2:1. When two genes control a single character and have a cumulative effect, polygenic inheritance, then the ratio is 1:4:6:4:1. For two genes, we remember 1:4:6:4:1. If it was three genes, it would have been 1:6:15:20:15:6:1. So ये दो genes के लिए है, ये तीन genes के लिए है. Then genes located on the same locus but showing more than 2 different phenotypes are called as pleiotropic genes. For example, HBS gene showing death, showing sickle cell anemia, and showing resistance to malaria is an example of a pleiotropic gene. In a cross between two individuals producing offsprings with 50% dominant character and 50% recessive character, then the genotypes of the parents are capital A, small a into small a. Why so? 50% dominant, 50% recessive character aa raha hai. It is an example of a test cross where capital A, small a into small a will give you capital A, small a and small a in the ratio of 1:1, which is 50% is to 50%. So that is 50% is 50% ratio, and that is an example of a test cross. Allelism refers to a alternative forms of genes at a given locus. तो एक ही लोकस पे कैपिटल टी है, उसका एक ऑल्टरनेटिव फॉर्म आ जाता है स्मॉल टी, then having capital T and contrasting form or alternative form, these capital T's and small t's are called as allele, and that is called allelism. Mendelian principles are not applicable in case of asexually reproducing forms. The law of segregation is during gamete formation. Law of independent assortment is during gamete formation. Dominance is when capital factor becomes dominant over small factor during gamete formation. तो asexual reproduction में gametes बनते ही नहीं है, so they will not show Mendelian principles. So Mendelian principles have to be done in sexually reproducing organisms. Genotypic and phenotypic ratio in a monohybrid cross remain the same is an example of intermediate inheritance, which is same as incomplete dominance, where genotypic and phenotypic ratios are same. intermediate inheritance or incomplete dominance. Mendel was lucky in discovering the principles of inheritance because he did not encounter linkage between the genes for the characters he had considered. Mendel was very lucky. Samjo he had selected tall and red color and round seed coat and a red color flower, round seed coat, and say yellow cotyledon, and यहाँ dwarf था and white flower and wrinkled seed coat and the green cotyledon and etc. other characters, all these were found on different genes. So he could have capital T, capital T, small r, or he could have capital R, small y. तो सर टॉल के साथ white आ सकता था और round के साथ green आ सकता था, and the independent assortment was possible if capital T and capital R were on the same chromosome, capital T and capital R were on the same chromosome, and small t and small t and small r were found on the same chromosome, so on separation of characters, tallness and redness of flower would remain together, and dwarf and white flower would remain together, and उनके बीच में independent assortment नहीं हो सकता था, and these genes would have been called as linked genes. Luckily, pea plant के अंदर all the 7 contrasting characters that Mendel studied were found on separate chromosomes, and he did not encounter linkage, so Mendel was lucky. 4 children belonging to the same parent have blood groups A, capital A, capital B, capital AB, and capital O. So A group, B group, AB group, and O group. What are the genotypes of the parents? One parent is heterozygous for A and the other parent is heterozygous for B. Mark this important. Beautiful question 111. चाइल्ड का ब्लड ग्रुप कुछ भी हो सकता है, 4 चिल्ड्रन है, कोई भी ब्लड ग्रुप है, तो पेरेंट्स का जीनोटाइप क्या है? heterozygous for A and heterozygous for B. So parents are, one parent is capital A, small I. The other parent is capital B, small I. And when they will form gametes, in what possible combination is gametes possible? You can have capital A, capital B, or you can have small I, small I. कैपिटल ए कैपिटल बी से ब्लड ग्रुप बनेगा ए बी, स्मॉल आई से ब्लड ग्रुप बनेगा ओ, उससे ओ ब्लड ग्रुप बनेगा. और यू कुड हैव हैड कैपिटल ए एंड स्मॉल आई, कैपिटल ए एंड स्मॉल आई, और उससे बनता था ब्लड ग्रुप ए. और यू कुड हैव हैड कैपिटल बी एंड स्मॉल आई, कैपिटल बी एंड स्मॉल आई, उससे बनता था ब्लड ग्रुप बी. तो ब्लड ग्रुप ए बी बन सकता है, ब्लड ग्रुप ओ बन सकता है, ब्लड ग्रुप ए बन सकता है, और ब्लड ग्रुप बी बन सकता है. सो ए एंड बी फॉर्म ए बी ब्लड ग्रुप, स्मॉल आई फॉर्म ओ ब्लड ग्रुप, or this combination is possible whereby A small I will form A blood group, and this combination possible B small I will form B blood group. So AB blood group, O blood group, O blood group, A blood group, and B blood group. So what is the parental genotype? Capital A small I, heterozygous for A, capital B small I, heterozygous for B. तो ये अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. Mark this important 111. 4 children with all blood groups, parents are heterozygous for A and heterozygous for B, respectively. Correct. Uh, in a typical Mendelian cross, where a dihybrid cross is concerned, the phenotypic ratio of the parental combination to the new combination is, which is a parental combination, dominant dominant 9, recessive recessive 1, so that is 10. And what is the new combination? Dominant recessive 3, recessive dominant 3. So that is a total of 6. So 10 raised to 6 or 5 is to 3 is the parental combination to new combination. In a Mendelian dihybrid cross, when heterozygous yellow round are self-crossed, round green are represented by what genotype? Round green can be capital R, small y, and capital R, small y. So, capital R, capital Y, small y is round, and capital R is round, and small y is green. So, capital R, small r round, small y green, capital R round, small y green. So that is round and green offsprings. And then you have inheritance of flower color. It is an example of incomplete dominance, which is seen in Antirrhinum majus. Antirrhinum majus, that is snapdragon or dog flower. And along with it, 4 o'clock plant, Mirabilis jalapa. The graphical presentation to calculate the probability of all possible genotypes of an offspring in a genetic cross is called as a Punnett square. So that graphical presentation is called as Punnett square. The genotype of a plant showing dominant phenotype can be determined by a test cross. So dominant phenotype, capital T, or capital T small t, tallness, dominant phenotype ka genotype is determined by doing a test cross. Is determined by doing a test cross with the recessive parent. Which of the following cannot be explained on the basis of Mendel's law of dominance? Discrete unit controlling a particular character is called as factor. Yes, that is explained by law of dominance. One out of the two pairs of factor, one is dominant and the other is recessive. That is law of dominance. Factors occur in pairs, capital T, small t, and capital T becomes dominant over small t. That is explained by law of dominance. Alleles do not show blending and both the characters recover in the F2 generation. In the F2 generation, we get 3:1, where you get reappearance of one recessive character is recovering in the F2 generation. That is not law of dominance, that is law of segregation and purity of gametes, that alleles do not blend. Alleles blend nahi hote hai and characters recover in the F2 generation. You get 3:1 ratio in the F2 generation. Reappearance of one recessive proves law of segregation and purity of gametes. Good question, 117. ये भी याद रखना. Select the correct statement from the ones given with respect to a dihybrid cross. Tightly linked genes on the same chromosome show very few recombinations. Tightly linked genes on the same chromosomes will not show recombination, will show very few recombinations. What is that phenomenon called as? Linkage. Linkage will not show independent assortment. Linkage will not show independent assortment. Capital T, capital R, small r, if they are linked together, tightly linked on the same chromosome, they will not show recombination. So capital T small r or small t capital R, ये recombination possible नहीं हो पाएगा. The F2 genotypic ratio of a monohybrid cross is 1:2:1. Phenotypic is 3:1. Genotypic is 1:2:1. If a heterozygous tall plant is crossed with a homozygous dwarf plant, the percentage of progeny having dwarf plant will be capital T, small t, heterozygous tall plant crossed with a homozygous dwarf plant is an example of a test cross which will show 50% dwarf character and 50% tall character. So that's a test cross. To determine heterozygosity of a cross, one has to perform a test cross. Heterozygosity is an example of a test cross. A test cross is a cross between hybrid and the recessive parent. Capital T small t into small t is an example of a test cross. Now, a good question here, 123, mark it important. A gene that masks another non-allelic gene's expression is called as epistasis. तो सर ये ध्यान से देखना, ये है कैपिटल टी एंड स्मॉल टी which is on one chromosome. Excuse me. And you have capital R and small r, which is on another chromosome. Then capital T becomes dominant over small t. That is called as dominance. ये हो गया law of dominance. But in certain species, for example, cucurbita pepo, उसके अंदर capital T becomes dominant over capital R. So capital T is not only dominant over small t, capital T is dominant over capital R, and that phenomenon is called as epistasis. So capital R will not express if there is capital T. So hypothetically, tallness, capital T, is dominant over dwarfness. But tallness is dominant over red color flower also. And plant अगर tall होगा तो red color flower आएगा ही नहीं. And that phenomenon is called as epistasis. If the plant is tall with capital T, red color flower, capital R, express ही नहीं करेगा. So tall plant will always show white flower. Okay, capital R will get epistatic. Capital T will become epistatic over capital R. And that is called epistasis. So a plant will become tall and it will become white. When will capital R express? Capital R will express only if you have small t, small t. तो dwarf plant के साथ red flower आएगा. Dwarf plant के साथ red flower आएगा. बाकी अगर plant tall रहेगा तो tall plant will become, capital T will become epistatic over capital R. So capital T becomes epistatic over capital R. So what is capital T becoming dominant over small t called as? Law of dominance, that is of alleles. तो allele के बीच में dominance होगा. और नॉन अलील कैपिटल टी और कैपिटल आर नॉन अलील के बीच में क्या होगा? A phenomenon called as epistasis. So a gene that masks a non-allelic gene's expression is called as epistatic. ये कुकुरबीटा में होता है. हाँ, इसके लिए हम लोग एक ब्यूटीफुल वीडियो बनाने वाला हूं मैं, जिसमें आपको डोमिनेंट एपिस्टासिस सिखाने वाला हूं. ये याद रखना. Some individuals with blood group A may inherit genes for blonde hair, while other individuals with blood group A may inherit gene for brown hair. This is best explained by the principle of independent assortment. So, some individuals with blood group A, ये blood group A है, and उसके अंदर another gene has gene for blonde hair. And किसी और क्रोमोसोम के ऊपर जीन फॉर ब्राउन हेयर. And some individuals inherit A group and blonde hair, and some individuals inherit A group with brown hair. So why is this happening? Because A can go with blonde also, A can go with brown also, and that is because of independent assortment. Independent assortment से ए ब्लॉन्ड के साथ भी जा सकता है, ए ब्राउन के साथ भी जा सकता है. इट इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट असॉर्टमेंट. Then, when two hybrids, small r, capital T, small t, and capital R, small t are crossed, the phenotypic ratio of the offspring would be. Now, simple hai. Sir, this is r, capital T, small t, and this is capital R, small t. इसके हम अगर factors थोड़े बदल देते हैं. If we bring this over here, so this will become capital T, rather small t, और ये capital T small t यहाँ आ जाएगा. So this will become capital T small t. So what will this become? This will become small t यहाँ आ गया. It will become small t. It will become small t. Yeah. Once again, small r, capital T, small t, and capital R, small t. If small t comes over here, or we put it the other way around, capital R comes over here, and small r comes over here. तो यहाँ आ गया capital T, small t, capital R, small r, और यहाँ आ गया small t, small r. So what does this become? Capital T, small t, capital R, small r, and this becomes small t, small r, small r, small t, small r, and this becomes small t, small r. So what does this become an example of a dihybrid test cross? This becomes an example of a dihybrid test cross, where dihybrid double heterozygous dominant is crossed with double heterozygous recessive. So what will be the F2 generation ratio you will get? 1:1:1:1, or 4:4:4:4. Genes exhibiting multiple effects are known as pleiotropic genes. For example, sickle cell anemia. In case of incomplete dominance, what will be the phenotypic ratio of the F2 generation? Phenotypic ratio as well as genotypic ratio will be 1:2:1. 1:2:1 is the phenotypic as well as the genotypic ratio. Genes are made up of polynucleotides. What are genes made up of? Nucleotides. Nitrogen, sugar, phosphate. And nitrogen sugar phosphate is called as a nucleotide, and nitrogen base sugar phosphate is a nucleotide, and DNA genes are made up of polynucleotides. This we had done in genetics, that genes are made up of polynucleotides. Approximately 3,000 nucleotides constitute one gene. Approximately 3,000 nucleotides constitute one gene. A dihybrid for a qualitative trait is crossed with a homozygous recessive of its type. Dihybrid is crossed with homozygous recessive individual. So capital T, capital R, small r, dihybrid is crossed with a homozygous recessive individual. Small t, small r. So what is this an example again of a dihybrid test cross? Dihybrid test cross, then its phenotypic ratio will be 1:1:1:1. तो dihybrid test cross का ratio क्या आएगा? 1:1:1:1. Improvement of the human race through hereditary qualities is called as eugenics. When you improve the human race by better hereditary qualities, continuous cross pollination kara ke you introduce heterosis, genetic superiority, then that phenomenon is called as heterosis. To improve the human race by continuous crossbreeding, so individuals of different races, yeah, individuals who are not closely related, उनके बीच में क्रॉस ब्रीडिंग करा के you bring about genetic superiority called as heterosis, and heterosis is an example of genetic superiority due to cross breeding. क्रॉस ब्रीडिंग से जेनेटिक सुपीरियोरिटी आती है, एंड दैट phenomenon is called as heterosis, which improves human race and is called as eugenics. That is called eugenics. Then 131 and 132, you don't have it, it's a little way out, by mistake aa gaya, cancel those questions. 133, in garden P, yellow color is dominant over green and round shape is dominant over wrinkled. When a pea plant with yellow and round seeds is crossed with a plant having yellow and wrinkled seeds, the progeny shows segregation of all four character. तो जब yellow and round is crossed with yellow and wrinkled, crossed with yellow and wrinkled, then in the F2 generation, we get all four characters. F2 में you get yellow round, yellow wrinkled, green round, and green wrinkled. So in the F2 generation, the progeny shows segregation for all four character. Progeny shows segregation for all four character. Yellow round, yellow wrinkled, green round, green wrinkled. Then what is the probability of obtaining green round seeds in the progeny of this cross? Green round seeds कितने आएंगे? Very nice question. Mark this important. Sir, ये है yellow round और ये है yellow wrinkled. अभी प्रोजेनी के अंदर यू हैव ग्रीन रिंकल्ड, चारों ऑफस्प्रिंग्स है ग्रीन रिंकल्ड. सो यहां से क्या आएगा? स्मॉल वाई स्मॉल आर, और यहां से भी आएगा स्मॉल वाई स्मॉल आर. तो येलो राउंड हैज टू बी हेटेरोजाइगस, तो ही स्मॉल वाई स्मॉल आर आएगा, और यहां से भी आएगा स्मॉल वाई स्मॉल आर. तो जब जाके बनेगा स्मॉल वाई स्मॉल आर, जिससे ग्रीन रिंकल्ड आएगा. सो टू गेट ग्रीन रिंकल्ड, बोथ येलो राउंड एंड येलो रिंकल्ड आर heterozygous. Nice. That is the catch of the question. Then it will produce small y, small r, that is green wrinkled. तो येलो राउंड में से कौन से गैमीज बनेंगे? कैपिटल वाई कैपिटल आर, कैपिटल वाई स्मॉल आर, स्मॉल वाई कैपिटल आर, स्मॉल वाई स्मॉल आर. ये येलो राउंड से आ गया. और येलो रिंकल्ड से कौन सा आएगा? कैपिटल वाई स्मॉल आर एंड स्मॉल वाई स्मॉल आर. तो दिस इज योर गैमीट्स, एंड इसके अंदर से आपको कितने ग्रीन और रिंकल्ड मिलेंगे और कितने ग्रीन और राउंड मिलेंगे, ये देखना है. तो व्हाट विल वी गेट? यू विल गेट कैपिटल वाई कैपिटल आर स्मॉल आर, दैट इज येलो एंड राउंड, and then you get yellow round, and then you get capital Y small r, that you will get yellow and wrinkled, and then you get capital Y capital R small r, that you will get capital Y capital R small r, you will get yellow and round, and you will get capital Y small r small r, that you will get yellow and wrinkled, that will get yellow and wrinkled. and you get capital Y, capital R, small r, you'll get yellow and round. Yellow and round. You get capital Y, small r, small r, you will get yellow and wrinkled. Yellow and wrinkled. You get small y, capital R, capital R. Small y, capital R, small r. From small r and small y, capital R, small r, you get small y, capital R, small r, that becomes green and round. तो ये आ गया green and round. And you get small y, small r, you will get green and wrinkled. Green and wrinkled. तो आपको येलो राउंड कितने मिले? 1, 2 and 3 येलो राउंड यू गॉट. येलो wrinkled कितने मिले? 1, 2 and 3 येलो wrinkled मिले. And the question asked, how many green round you will get? You will get one green round. One green round. Small y, capital R, small r. Green round. And you'll get small y, small r, small r, green and wrinkled. So you get green round as 1 out of 8. 1 out of 8 is green and round. 1 out of 8 is green and round. Nice question. 133 yaad rakhna hai ise. Then a true breeding plant producing red flower is crossed with a pure plant producing white flower. Allele for red color is dominant. After selfing the plants of the first filial generation, proportion of plants producing white flower in the progeny would be. Check it out. Uh, True breeding red flower is crossed with the pure plant producing white flower. So, capital R, red flower is crossed with small r, white flower. And after selfing of that, of the first generation, what will happen? So, capital R, red flower, small r, white flower. F1 generation may we get capital R, small r, they are hybrid reds. They are hybrid reds. And after selfing, what will capital R, small r produced? Capital R, small r and capital R, small r. जिसमें you will get capital R, red, capital R, small r, red, and small r, white. So 3 red and 1 white. So white कितना मिलेगा? 1/4. White कितना मिलेगा? 1/4. That's an example of a monohybrid cross. So how many white flowers you will get? 1/4. That is an example of a monohybrid cross. A character which is expressed in a hybrid is a dominant character. The character जो hybrid के अंदर express होगा, capital T will get expressed over small t. It's called as the dominant character. A gene which controls many characters is a pleiotropic gene. Well, this we have done many times. Okay. Then you have the phenotypic ratio in the F2 generation of a dihybrid cross is 9:3:3:1. That is the phenotypic ratio. And the genotypic ratio is 1:2:2:4, is to 1:2, is to 1:2, is to 1. That's the genotypic ratio. Then lack of independent assortment of two genes, capital A and capital B in fruit fly Drosophila is due to linkage. अगर capital A और capital B एक ही chromosome पे आ गया, then they do not separate or segregate. If they were found on separate chromosomes, then they would have separated or segregated during gamete formation. Then they would have separated or segregated during gamete formation. तो A और B का independent assortment होता था. But if they are found on same chromosome, then they will inherit together and they will show lack of independent assortment due to linkage. तो ये linkage हो जाएगा. Grain color in wheat is determined by three pairs of polygenes following across capital A, capital A, capital B, capital B, capital C, capital C, dark color into small a, small a, small b, small b, small c, small c, light color. What proportion of progeny is likely to resemble either parent in the F2 generation? So, half, less than 5%, one third, or one fourth. Three pairs of polygenes, capital A, capital B, capital C, small a, small b, small c. तो F2 generation में क्या मिलेगा? What proportion of progeny is likely resembling the parent in the F2 generation? तो parental combination कौन है? Capital A, capital B, capital C, small a, small b, small c. So this is exactly like human skin color. So you have capital A, capital B, capital C, small a, small b, small c. Small a, small a, small b, small b, small c, small c. And here capital A, capital A, capital B, capital B, capital C, capital C. What will the F1 generation will become? Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c. और F2 जनरेशन में आपको कितने ऑफस्प्रिंग्स आएंगे? F2 जनरेशन में you got 64 offsprings, of which one of them will become capital A, capital A, capital B, capital B, capital C, capital C. Capital A, capital A, capital B, capital B, capital C, capital C. ये आपको एक ऑफस्प्रिंग आएगा, one. And one you will get small a, small a, small b, small c, small c, small c. So that means 1 year, and 1 year means two offsprings are parental. Two offsprings are parental. 2 out of 64 are parental. 2 out of 64 are parental. In other words, 1 out of 31 is parental, which is approximately 2 to 3%. 3% is parental. 3% is parental. In other words, less than 5% are parental. Less than 5% are parental. So, less than 5% of the progeny resemble either parent in the F2 generation, less than 5%. Yeah, now, good question. 139, इसको भी important mark करना. Mating of an organism to a double recessive in order to determine whether it is homozygous or heterozygous is called as a test cross. So, to determine a double recessive, to know homozygous or heterozygous is a test cross. In short-horn cattle, gene for red color capital R and gene for white color small r color occurs. Cross between red and white produce Rowan coat, capital R small r. This is an example of codominance. So red or white से Rowan बनता है. We have done it as an example of codominance. Which of the following genes show heterozygous condition? Well, this is simple. Homozygous, homozygous, and heterozygous. Capital R, small r is heterozygous. Which of the following is best suited for codominance? Both the genes are dominant. If you remember, हमने जब red और rowan कोट किया था, तो red और white का जीनोटाइप क्या लिखा था? Capital R, and capital W, not small r, small r. So capital W is also a dominant character, and they will produce capital R, capital W, which will become a Rowan coat. Capital R, capital W will produce a Rowan coat. So both the genes are dominant. Capital R is also dominant. Capital W is also dominant for white color. So for codominance, both genes are dominant. Genes, when located close together on a chromosome, are known as linked genes. That is called as linkage. Incomplete dominance is shown by mirabilis. Mirabilis shows incomplete dominance, and Antirrhinum majus, snapdragon flower, show dominance. a condition where a certain gene is present in a single copy in a diploid cell is called heterozygous. So capital T and small t. So the certain gene is present in a single copy. Only one capital T is there. Other is a small t. So what is that? An example of a heterozygous. If certain gene is in a double copy, then that is called as homozygous. If it is in a single copy, then that is called as heterozygous. That's a heterozygous. A dihybrid test cross yields 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1 ratio is indication of four types of gametes produced by the F1 dihybrid. तो कौन-कौन से gametes बनते हैं dihybrid test cross में? You get capital T, small t, capital R, small r. उसमें से कौन से gametes बनेंगे? Capital T, capital R, and you get capital T, small r, and उससे बनेगा small t small r, another capital T small t capital R, and you'll get small t small r. So ये वाला जब स्मॉल टी स्मॉल आर के साथ फ्यूज होगा, स्मॉल टी स्मॉल आर के साथ फ्यूज होगा, small t small r, so when it will fuse with small t small r, what will it become? Capital T small capital R small r, तो tall and red बनेगा. Similarly capital T small r, tall and white बनेगा. Small t capital R small r, dwarf and red बनेगा. Small t small r, dwarf and white बनेगा. So that will be the ratio. Four different types of gametes in the F1 hybrid will form four different types of plants. If capital A, capital B, small b, and small a, capital B, small b are produced, then the phenotypic ratio in the F2 generation कर देना. F2 generation. So what will capital A, small b into small a, capital B produce? It will produce capital A, small a, capital A, small a, and यहां से आएगा capital B and small b. So this will become F1 hybrid. F1 hybrid. और F1 hybrid is capital A, capital B, small b. तो F2 generation में क्या आएगा? F2 generation में you get a phenotypic ratio of 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Or you may remember capital A, small b into small a, capital B, उसको crossover कर दो. Let this come over here and let this go over here. So what will this become? Small a, small b, and this will become capital A, capital A, capital B, capital B. So these are both parents, और ये parents है, और ये दोनों parents में से F1 generation आएगा, like a dihybrid cross, and F2 ratio आएगा. So what F2 ratio we get? 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Then, when a dihybrid cross is fitted into a Punnett square with 16 boxes, maximum number of different phenotypes available will be 4. Phenotypes कितने available हो जाएंगे? 4. और genotype कितने available हो जाएंगे? 9. 4 phenotypes: tall, yellow round, yellow wrinkled, green round, green wrinkled. 4 phenotypes. 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1 ratio, and genotypes कितने आएंगे? 9. If heterozygous condition, the individual expression of both allele and a phenotype is exemplified by a AB blood group. The individual expression of both alleles, दोनों allele exemplify करेंगे, and that means it's an example of AB blood group. That A gene will also express, B gene will also express. So the individual expression of both alleles in the phenotype is exemplified. Expression of both alleles. capital A also express, capital B also express. It is AB blood group, example of codominance. That's an example of codominance. Chalo, so we finished till 150. So today we did right now 100 to 150, and we will just take a break and finish 151 to 200 and complete off this chapter. Ciao.